Under Defense Minister Colonel General Zakir Hasanov's command, the anti-aircraft defense and air forces have been placed on alert on January 7, according to the press service of the ministry. The aim was to check the level of combat readiness of armed forces. During the implementation of the operational mission, the anti-aircraft defense forces use anti-aircraft gun and rocket complexes OSA 9A33B EM3. According to the scenario, the rival who has violated airspace was pursued. The forces have destroyed the targets with rockets. All missions were successfully implemented and the minister held the readiness of the army.